change the rate of descent of this parachute canopy. So they can actually flare the canopy just like an aircraft that's going to be landing. They change that rate of descent by changing the shape of the canopy. Hey, our jumpers are in the air. I see smoke trails, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the air. So we're going to have 6 jumpers moving in, as I mentioned. They're going to be spread down the line now. You may have noticed in their first jump today that you saw two of the jumpers swooping on in across the ground, holding onto those steering lines, holding that canopy off, holding it off, approaching the ground at about 60 miles an hour, and just swooping along right above the ground like canopy. In what we call CRW, or CRW, which stands for Canopy Relative Work. As they fly their canopies toward each other, you see that 2 of them are already connected. Our third jumper is going to maneuver into position. The jumper in the middle there, he's just about ready to catch that canopy, slide his feet down those risers, and we may have all 3 of them hooked up. We'll see how they're going to do this, what kind of a formation they're going to perform for you. Toward the ground at about 60 miles an hour in that downplane. We'll wait and see what formations they put together. Now, these light winds today, they are just hanging out there in the air. 2 above, 1 down there has the candy canes on. Look at those, at that beautiful stream of smoke. Let's swirl that around a little bit for you. Here comes our first jumper. That's a little banana-type canopy, not as big as the others from front to back. Not as much area. Both of them are using these hook turns and swiftly come down toward the ground. We're going to get a swoop out of this. There we go. Hold it off like an airplane. Okay, our other jumper's going to be good. Here comes a big seed right-hand hook turn. Now he's going to line up for the ground, align it with the wind, hold it off, swooping right towards you. All right, what a beautiful swoop. Our jumpers has that barber pole candy cane of smoke coming down. And we see our biplane is put together, our 2 parachutes put together. And that third one hanging off there may be a videographer, I'm not sure. Maybe taking pictures of the other 2 as they come on down. And we'll see what happens if they, now we need to get that formation moving toward the target area. Driving. There we go. Release those lines a little bit, get it moving ahead at forward speed, about maybe 20 miles an hour. But we're moving into a little bit of a wind here. So we may have to drive out to get those folks before they actually come down and touch down. Here you get a real good look at that biplane. Now they have separated, trying to get a little more drive to keep from landing in the water as they head over toward the ship. There's way down there to the left. Give them a round of applause. Well, with these winds, this just makes these touchdowns real nice and gentle. Okay, I think we kept them out of the water, but they're out there a bit. We have all our jumpers on the ground. Please put your hands together for the United States Army Special Operations Parachute Team, the Black Daggers. The Black Daggers, you saw that. And we want to say a special thank you to 2 of the members of the Black Daggers. As you folks know, out there in the water, there's a lot of boats out there. The Coast Guard is keeping them away. But you know, that's hard. That's a real performer's heart for you. 2 of the members of the Black Daggers said, we're going to land out there near the boat so they get a chance to enjoy this too. Where do we get such people? Hey, that's reverse thrust coming on the T-23. Just as we had with the mighty Earth. Slow the airplane down. They don't use a whole lot of runway anyway in the T-23 Sherpa. They'll experience the runway momentarily. Taxi back in front of you. T-23 aircraft of the Rhode Island Army National Guard, my Army colleague aloft. Folks all the way to the Rhode Island Guard, just remind you once again, we're still getting reports. Some people are still smoking out there on the ramp and in the porta potty, so please, smoking is not permitted anywhere, so please, no smoking whatsoever. taxi by Rhode Island.